because it looks a little not right. So today I wanted to give you a quick idea of what my morning routine looks like as a full-time writer. I'm still having a hard time saying that, but yeah.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah.
Ooh. What? I don't know if this is close. This is close. It might be close. What is good, everybody? My name is Gary. Please, yeah. Sorry, this is really loud. Ooh. It'll stop. Stay or con. All right, so this morning I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like for me as a full-time writer. And I say specifically me because my situation is a little, it's not weird, but it's unique in a sense where I'm Canadian, but I live in the Philippines where I was currently teaching, and I've this year decided to be a full-time writer, which is a little weird to say, but it's starting to feel more comfortable. Anyway, so for me it may look a little bit different. Plus there's a little bit of a restriction here, even though things are starting to open up. But I wanted to give you an idea of what it looks like for me in the morning. I wake up very early. Yeah. It's always important to brush your teeth in the morning. Personal choice, but it's important. I'd say 9 times out of 10, I go for a run, and my run usually lasts for about a half an hour, 40 minutes. I usually run about 5K in the morning. For me, the mornings are just essential in regards to how my day is going to go. If I'm up and active in the morning and I'm able to sweat, it really allows me to just prepare for the day in general. If you even ask my wife, like, it really sets up my day to be successful. If I don't run, if I don't exercise in the morning, I'm quite cranky. And then I get back, I shower. Sometimes I have a really hard time with my hair. If anyone has any hair tips for black hair, please send them to me. It's just a lot. I usually just use shea butter. Yeah, once I'm done, I usually don't eat until about 11:30. I'm just not a morning breakfast person. I've always done intermediate fasting, kind of. I don't like follow through with it to like, I'm not like religious to it or anything, but that's kind of what I've done for a while, and it helps me. Like if I'm hungry in the morning, I will eat, but for the most part, I usually wait until about 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and then I usually don't eat after 8 o'clock. And I usually just have coffee in the morning. Sometimes I'll have green tea, but coffee usually does the trick better for me now. And I usually make sure I get one of these in the morning as well. Once I'm finished that, I usually check emails. No one's really emailing me right now, which is good. I hate emails. One of the things I hated about being a teacher, and I didn't hate very many things, was just the amount of emails. And I get it because it's just like how you would communicate, especially during times where you were on staff with a lot of people, but I hated getting emails. So I check my emails in the morning. After I check my emails, I usually try to get right into the writing. Sometimes I'll go to social media, check out a few people that I like follow. If there are live events happening, if there are readings happening, I would sometimes check those out. But I usually get started right away. And right now, if I look at my watch, it's about 7:16. By 7:30, I want to be in it, kind of in the weeds, starting my day. And today I'm just basically looking at a chapter book, middle grade novel, and I'm looking to restructure it. I usually try to spend most of my morning up until lunch, which would be 11 o'clock or 11:30, doing one thing. And then I usually switch switch over. So like around 11:30 or after lunch, I'll probably do things for picture books. And that kind of helps me just break up the day. There's some days where I just like, I'm feeling good and I just stay on middle grade or I stay on the picture book. And I've mentioned this in another video before, but like picture books are just very taxing on your brain, for me at least, because you spend so much time looking at like a word or a structure and then envisioning it. And it's unlike a novel where you can like let it flow a little bit easier, I find, because you're still just trying to generate like a scene and like dialogue, and there's so many components to it, where a picture book, there's a lot of components, but it's very, very particular and you have to be very, very precise. That's just my personal take on it and how it's been going for me. So then I'll spend most of my time doing that. Around 2:30, 3 o'clock, I like to go for a walk. That's not my morning time, so I'm not gonna show you me going for a walk. But then that's most of my morning. Like that's what it looks like for me as a full-time writer here. Yeah, what does your morning look like? Let me know below. Thanks for hanging out this morning. I gotta go write. Stay blessed. Peace. This is actually from my mom. My mom called me the other day and we were trying to do the like, I don't even know why I do it, whatever. But she tried to do the like covering the camera up. So this one's for you, Mom. Stay blessed. Thanks.